a while ago. And this next song indeed will give us nostalgic vibes, right?
Correct.
Why did you choose to sing this one for us tonight?
Because it was part of the Modern Jukebox collection I had, my album. So it was original song by Leah Navarro. So, but I really love it since I was a little girl. I said, I want to sing that. But before, I didn't understand the lyrics talaga. So ngayon, naintindihan ko na talaga siya kung paano ma-inlove, paano masaktan, paano hindi mo salita dahil nasa.
So ngayon, may meaning na, may deeper meaning na
May
talaga
deeper
siya.
meaning na yes.
There you go. So if you wishers wish to relate more to sharing songs and find that deeper meaning, your songs are out on Spotify.
Yes, nasa Spotify, lahat, iTunes,
Bili-bili
Dami niyang
ng
fans, oh.
pictures. Yeah,
Guys.
and also follow her on her social media pages for more
Ayan, kung
updates.
view
And
muna
once
tayo
again, she'll be
rito,
having a
banda.
concert next month.
yes, February
Balik tayo
28.
doon
Music
sa
Museum.
dati.
Get your tickets, wishers, and to further persuade you to go on and support Sharon, we of course will be hearing her in this song, originally sung by Leah Navarro. Here is Ang Pag-ibig Ko Ito.
Wow! OPM guys! Kababayan, OPM to. Kaso may copyright to. Copyright. Link to.
Umiiyak ang aking pusong nag-uusap. Ngunit ayoko may makakita. Kahit anong sakit ang aking naranasan, yan ay ayoko kaniyang malaman. Mga araw na nagdaan, kailanman hindi malilimutan. Kahit tamis na araw ang pagmamahalan, ang akala ko'y walang hangganan. Ang pag-ibig kong ito, luha ang tanging nakamit buhat sa'yo. Kaya samayin ka pa, wina'y dalangin ko. Sana'y kapalaran ko ay magbago. Mga araw na nagdaan, kailanman hindi malilimutan. Ay tamis na araw ng pagmamahalan, ang akala ko'y walang hangganan. Ang pag-ibig kong ito, luha ang tanging nakamit buhat sa'yo. Kaya't samayin ka pa, wina'y dalangin ko. Sana'y kapalaran ko ay magbago. Pag-ibig kong ito, luha ang tanging nakamit buhat sa'yo. Kaya't samayin ka pa, wina'y dalangin ko. Sana'y kapalaran ko ay magbago. Ang pag-ibig kong ito, luha ang tanging nakamit buhat sa'yo. Kaya't samayin ka pa, wina'y dalangin ko. Sana'y kapalaran ko ay magbago.
Yes, that's kababayan, Cebuana, Bisaya. Okay, mga Yes, mga kaprobinsya, mayroon naman tayong clips.
Only
Vlog.
here on Wish 1075. Wishers, you just heard SHERYN REGIS on board the Wish 1075 bus. That was ang pag-ibig kong ito. Kapalaran mo man ay magbago. I know that the love of our wishers and your Sherynians will stay. Thank you so much for staying with us today.
Thank
Up
you so
until
much.
the next
Kel.
time.
Yes, next time.
There you go.